Northport High School's Academy of Information Technology is affiliated with the National Academy Foundation. It introduces high school students to the digital workplace and to the many and varied career opportunities it offers. Areas of study within the AOIT program include computer science and coding, programming database administration, web architecture and design development, computer networking, as well as computer security and forensics. An advisory board comprised of local information technology professionals provides valuable guest speakers and field trip opportunities, along with a potential internship during later study. Join us as we investigate the courses within the AOIT program at Northport High School. Principal of Information Technology students will explore the most common types of operating systems, software applications, and programming languages. They'll also learn about the different types of networks and network topology and set up an email client-server connection. Students will discover the types of careers that exist in the rapidly evolving and exponentially growing industry. Upon completion, they'll be well-versed in the basic aspects of information technology and will understand how computers are designed and assembled to help users achieve their desired goals. AOIT's Introduction to Computer Programming is currently taught within the Mathematics department. It's a hands-on project-based course that introduces students to basic programming concepts and takes a look at the inner workings of a computer. The focus is on the elements of programming that are common to all languages. There's an emphasis on gaming and app development. Whether it's Python, Java, HTML, CSS, the course continues to change content annually to remain current with programming trends. AP Computer Science A is an introductory college-level computer science course. The programming language of choice is Java, an object-oriented programming language. Topics taught include programming methodology, features of programming languages, data types and structures, algorithms, applications, iteration, recursion, and the social implications of computer science. Students will cultivate their understanding of coding through analyzing, writing, and testing code as they explore these state-of-the-art concepts. Introduction to Cybersecurity is a dual enrollment course through Syracuse University's Project Advance as well as Farmingdale State College. Students will be introduced to the mechanisms and the history of software, hardware, and operating system security. They'll dissect important and emerging issues, including privilege sniffing, password security, disaster recovery, and digital forensics. Hands-on investigations during every unit will afford students the opportunity to assess network vulnerability, identify threats, prevent and respond to attacks, and more. Web Architecture and Development is a dual enrollment course through Syracuse University's Project Advance. Here, students will combine entrepreneurial methods with real-world projects covering the construction and publication of multimedia for the web. The course will incorporate a user-based approach to planning, design, implementation, and management in distributed network environments. Students will become proficient in HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript as front-end web developers to code a website and web app designs. Web page design is taught in the art department at Northport High School. Here, students will learn the basics of good web design by working with industry-standard design software such as Macromedia Flash and Dreamweaver. A large portion of the school year will be dedicated to creating fully interactive websites using Flash. During the junior-senior summer, AOIT students will bridge the gap between the classroom and the workforce through a first-hand internship experience. They'll prepare resumes and be interviewed for positions by local internship providers within our community. These internships connect students to the real world and establish critical relationships between students and professionals. Each student is required to maintain a portfolio throughout their commitment and will present their work at the annual AOIT Employer Recognition Trade Show held in the fall of each year. Northport High School students may complete the entire Academy of Information Technology program throughout their high school career. However, any student may challenge one or more AOIT courses in grades 9 through 12. Please see your guidance counselor and consult the current course catalog for more detailed information. Stop by the AOIT Program Coordinator's office and speak with Ms. Rossasano in the lower level of the high school library. In addition, feel free to visit our computer science and web page design labs and speak with our teachers, Mr. Andrikovics, Mr. Claps, Mr. Frisch, Mr. Winter, and Mr. DeRosa. Thank you for watching